Hi, Tam here. Speaking more than one international language when working on a cruise ship is a huge advantage, especially if you're working in guest services and medical. When you're working as a doctor on a cruise ship, if you can speak English and Spanish, Portuguese, French, Mandarin, those are huge advantages. More than speaking with your patients, with the passengers, even more important is medical evacuations and referrals. It's so much easier when you're speaking to the medical team of a particular country where you want to disembark your patient in the local language. Most doctors around the world really speak English, but I've been in situations where there was a problem. The passenger doesn't have travel insurance or something like that, something of the sort. And the receiving doctor would say, no, I'm sorry, we can't take this patient. But then when you switch into his home language, things get much more relaxed, and you can put your argument in place in a much stronger manner, with more emotions. All of a sudden is more sympathetic to the patient's situation and to your situation, right? Personally, I speak 4 international languages and I understand 7. Meaning of the 7 languages I understand, I speak 4 of them. And it's helped me a lot throughout the years in my medical career on board, to communicate with different medical teams in different countries. For example, your ship is on a South American tour, a South American cruise, that's going from Colombia to Brazil to, in Portuguese. Por exemplo, se o navio pode estar realizando cruzeiro pela América do Sul, passando pela Colômbia, Brasil e Argentina, com muitos passageiros brasileiros que se sentem mais à vontade falando português do que inglês. Ou você pode ter uma evacuação médica no Brasil. E tudo será mais fácil se você falar português com as equipes médicas locais. Tudo será mais fácil. In French, tu es sur un bateau de croisière qui passe par des pays francophones, comme la Nouvelle-Calédonie, Tahiti ou la France par exemple. Et dans ces pays francophones, tu fais une évacuation médicale. Et là, tu parles français directement avec l'équipe médicale qui doit recevoir ton patient, et tout est beaucoup plus facile. Beaucoup plus facile. En termes de communication, logistique, tu demandes exactement ce que tu veux, et tout se passe très bien. Et donc c'est ça l'avantage de parler plusieurs langues. That's the advantage of speaking more than one language. Ease of communication. So yes, as a doctor on a cruise ship, if your goal is to go around the world doing world cruises, I would strongly advise you to speak several international languages. Cheers. Doesn't give me anything additional or takes anything from my qualifications. I'm working on it. Now it's send you videos in the hotel, right? Because this has been my mind for a long working in the Navy. But I understand the large amount of this whole degrading the crew and stuff. You go on cruise ships every year.